Hello everyone, this is Sahil from the Creatr team, and in this series we are going to learn how to use Creatr and how to build and deploy production-ready apps in minutes. In this video specifically, we are going to talk about basic navigation and UI of Creatr. How do you navigate your way through different integrations and how do you make your first project? So as soon as you sign up to Creatr, this is where you're going to land. Here you can see the prompt section where you're going to interact with Creatr. The next section is where you can see all the previous apps that you have built and deployed, and also all the featured applications that are part of our community. Under this are the testimonials and some FAQs. If you go back and if you want to enter your prompt to Creatr, this is where you can enter it. So as soon as you enter your prompt, you have multiple input options. One says enhance. So once you enhance the prompt, it expands it into something Creatr understands even better. It talks about different phases of how to build that particular web app. The second option is attach, where you can attach any sort of image that you want Creatr to use to take inspiration from. Talking about inspirations, if you're not sure what to add and what to prompt Creatr to build, you can also utilize inspirations to see major SaaS websites and web apps that are out there, and you can use their screenshots to directly input Creatr to build. And the last thing is OpenAI, where you can click and you can add intelligence to your products using OpenAI. Let's go ahead and enter this prompt. Once you enter your prompt, this is where you are going to land. This is something we call the chat editor. It has two major sections. On the left section, you would see your input box where you can chat with the AI and ask it to add or remove elements or make pages responsive. Here you can also see the AI thinking and doing its reasoning before writing the code. There are two other options. One is called version history, where you can track your versions of different builds that you have given Creatr, and you can go back and switch to different builds. The third option is assets, which can be utilized to change images and videos inside the preview. The other section is where you can see the code being written and the AI actually building your project output. Here you can see all the different steps it takes before writing and actually executing the code. Once the code writing process is completed and once the application is ready, it's going to switch to the preview. Preview is nothing but a mini web browser inside your web browser where you can see the output of the AI. So this is what it has given us. Now we can check out its code by switching to the code section. And if we ever want to add any sort of major component here, we can also go to the component library, where it has pulled components from all the major UI libraries out there, and it can let you add the component inside your project seamlessly. Within preview, you have options to switch between different sizes. So you can go to a tablet view or you can also go to the mobile view. Within the preview box itself, you can see the preview URL that you can copy and share. You can open this preview in a new tab without deploying anything, and also utilize select element to select any sort of element and use it to prompt Creatr to actually pinpoint that edit to that particular component. On the top navigation, you can see multiple options. To the left side, we have our project name. You can always rename it to anything you want. On the right side, you have four options. One is to export your project to GitHub. So you click on this and you can export your project to GitHub. The second one is to fork. That basically means cloning your application and making a duplicate of it. The third option is to share your application with your friends. So you can go ahead and share the previews with your friends. We recommend you first go ahead and deploy your application. So you can go ahead and copy this link and you can share it with your friends or open this particular application in a new tab. On the left side, you have multiple options of integrations. So you can go ahead and add Superbase to your project. You can add intelligence by adding ChatGPT to your project. You can send emails directly from Creatr using Resend, and you can also track analytics of your project. On the bottom, you can see the token count that would effectively tell you how many tokens the project has utilized, though it does not impact any sort of limits on your edits. This is the settings section where you can see the settings of your project. So be it the project information, which can be the name, the integrations that are already connected, the visibility of this project, or even if you want to just delete the project, you can do it all from the settings section. So this is majorly it for the chat editor itself. Now in the next video, we are going to see how we can build a real application using Creatr and actually add a backend to it with Superbase.